Oh yeah, that'd be funny too. No.
Yo, don't fucking scratch my lens, you asshole. I'm gonna scratch your eyes. How do you like it when you can't see through your eyes, huh, bud?
I got an answer for that.
Michael, tell us about the bike.
That's all you need to know.
Really? That's it? It's just blown up?
Blown up, covered in oil.
Sounds about right. You want me to take a picture of it? I can take a bunch of pictures of random shit while you're here. Yeah, probably.
They were good batteries.
Fuck off, George!
Way too bright. That looks photoshopped.
No, it's because the screen looks
Let
like
me
shit.
see.
I know, but it looks photoshopped as hell. Oh god, that's gonna be
Great.
terrible.
No, actually, it just looks shit on the camera.
You playing a song over there.
Thank you for the song.
Dun.
You just look short.
Let me see.
Short. It looks like somebody
Wait, let me get that on the
It looks like
camera.
somebody took your school picture but didn't adjust the camera right. You look like an old man about to beat somebody's ass. Oh, you look pissed.
He does.
Fall.
Then Michael! Don't be taking pictures.
No, that was. No, that you just look like you're sucking somebody's dick.
You just gotta edit that, George, so it's just like falls, rolls, explodes.
Give me that.
Photography. Greasy.
Toby dies.
Greasy.
This is all gone.
Clown bike.
Oh, that's loud.
Clown bike.